Good morning, one and all. On behalf of KM Agarwal College and as a convener for this initiative, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am, you're audible.
Okay, thank you. So, good morning, one and all. On behalf of KM Agarwal College and as a convener for this initiative, I, Devanjali Datta, the Assistant Professor of this college, would like to welcome you all to this 2 days virtual faculty development workshop on Moodle, organized by Research Promotion Cell. This workshop
You're not audible, ma'am.
Am I audible now?
Yeah, now you're audible.
So today we are going to organize this workshop on Moodle. This workshop will help teachers and educators to create their content for an adaptive and customized learning. मैम क्योंकि मेरा आवाज नहीं जाएगा. So we are delighted that Dr. Shalini Chahande ma'am is with us today as a resource person. Madam is currently associated with S.K. Porwal College as an assistant professor, senior scale, Department of Biochemistry. Madam has participated and presented number of papers at national and international level. Ma'am published book chapter in the Elsevier publisher book entitled Biogenic Sustainable Nanotechnology, Trends, Progress and Applications. Ma'am has received award of ICAR Junior Fellowship. Madam has been awarded with Bharat Ratna Dr. Radhakrishnan Gold Medal Award for excellence in her field on the occasion of 73rd National Unity Conference 2020 at Chennai. Recently, she was conferred the Best Academician Award for her outstanding contribution in the field of agriculture. Once again, I welcome you, ma'am, for 2 days workshop. On this note, I would request our respected principal, ma'am, Dr. Anita Manna, to welcome our today's resource person, Dr. Shalini Chahande, and all our delegates.
Good morning, everyone. Am I audible? Devanjali, madam?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, madam.
Okay. I, first of all, on behalf of KM Agarwal College, I welcome Dr. Shalini, madam, and I'm thankful, madam, you have given your consent for this 2 days workshop to our college. Really, we are grateful. I have heard your biodata. It is very rich. Your CV is very rich, madam. Thank you very much for your consent. And really, within in these 2 days, our staff will get understand the Moodles work, how these are working and all. So, madam, related to this, definitely it will be useful for our staff member, even to me also, when we have to work on the Moodle. And thank you very much, madam, for your concern. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Now I request our person, Dr. Shalini ma'am, to proceed with the session. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, organizers, to give me the opportunity to contribute a little towards technology.
Video is not visible.
Yeah, just a minute, I'll see. Some problem is there. I don't know what has happened. Just a minute, ma'am.
Ma'am, sure, sure. And now it's visible. Now it's visible. Now we can see your screen. Madam, you are not audible.
Am I audible now?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
So Moodle is may I start again, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Since I was, yeah. So this Moodle is nothing but a free software which is available for everyone. So how we use it and what is the purpose of us using it? It's a learning management system. So just like the Google, you can say Google Classroom, you must have heard about the Edmodo. Then there are so many learning management systems, but the one which is very useful for us and which is very enriched is the Moodle platform. So this platform gives us various things, and it makes us tech savvy in terms of conceptualizing us the various courses, the structure, and the curriculum. So the students can very well interact with it. And the very beauty of this particular Moodle is that we don't have to download it. It is available as such. This Moodle was devised by Martin, and its primary agenda was to contribute suitably to the system of e-learning so that it can facilitate the online education. And there are so many online programs available outside our country. We can say globally, the people are running the online degree courses over the Moodle platform. So the Moodle actually stands for Modular Object Oriented Dynamic Learning Environment. So this Moodle is nothing but this, and statistics reveal that 14 million consumers are engaged in about 1.4 million courses. See, 1.4 million courses are there which are run on this Moodle. So this is very compatible. While Moodle presents certain common features, almost all similar e-learning tools, it also provides certain plugin options. These plugin options, they are not available in other platforms. Therefore, this is the beauty of Moodle. This particular Moodle, what it is, will go in depth. Now, Moodle is in this platform. We will see the Moodle actually is facilitated by various companies. So amongst them is the Genomio. We have another Moodle website also, but what is the difference between Genomio and the Moodle which is available, which you can see if you click on the web page. So the difference is that in this Genomio, which is a popular training tool in the world, you are an educator here and you can create your own online learning community. So Moodle web hosting on Moodle Cloud is limited to 50 users. So whatever Moodle, if you type of Moodle, ma'am, can you mute? Hello. Hello, ma'am. Hello. Yeah. So the Moodle which you see commonly on the website, it uses only 50. It has the limitation of using by only 50 users. And what we see is our class size is more than 50. So it becomes useless for us. So that is why we are switching from the Moodle cloud to Genomio. Now, there is not much difference between the Moodle cloud and the Genomio. I'll say that Genomio is better than the Moodle cloud. So, on the other hand, this Genomio has another thing, that is not have a specific user limit. So you will have 100, 200, whatever number of students you have, you can admit in that particular classroom. So, however, say that they are not a company, but rather a group of Moodle fans working together. This is not a company. Genomio is not a company, just like Cloud. Cloud is a company. So you can choose either of the two depending on the number of students. And see, if you have 50 or less than 50 students, you can use the Moodle Cloud very well. But if we have the students more than 50, then we need to switch on to Genomio. Now, what are the features of this Moodle Genomio? You can create blogs, you can have chat rooms, you can have the database activities, then glossaries are there, support system enabling the function in multiple languages. So you can see in the state like Maharashtra, if we are working in Marathi languages, then we can use the Marathi language also. But these features, see, we have two types of features here. One is the free version and another is the paid version. So some of the things which are freely available, they have the limitations, while the paid version have everything. Like you can have the functioning in multiple languages. Then you can have the content management. Content management can be done in the free course also. Then regular examination and assessment, this we can do in the free version. So the current infrastructure facilities adopted by Moodle enable it to support a plethora of plugin like graphical themes and content filters. So these content filters and graphical fields, they are available in the paid versions. Enrollment we can do in the free version. Authentication process is also there, as well as resource and question patterns we can very well do in the free version. So any operating system that supports the uses of PHP. Now here we need PHP allows the use of e-learning platform like Moodle, and some of the systems where Moodle can perform without alteration include Mac OS. Now see, the beauty of this Genomio is that you can use this in Mac OS, Windows, Linux, Unix, NetWare. So any of the software, if you use, it will support you. Now, what are the steps? Now, this is very important. Now, what are the steps? Now, we are going in deep of Moodle. So, the steps, number one step is creating a Moodle site. I suppose that everyone has made their own Moodle site. Is it so, ma'am? Do all the participants?
Yes, we have created, ma'am.
Yes. Have you registered in the site?
Yes,
I suppose no.
No.
No. Okay, I'll tell you. Now, the first step you have already done. Now, the second step is the registration of it. Now, registering a Moodle site. So now log into Moodle site administration. Now I'll stop this particular, I'll tell you all the steps and then we'll go into the Moodle. So after you create your site, you need to register the site. So how to register, I'll tell you. For registration, we need to go into details. So we have to go into the site administration. After that, number 3 step is creating a course. Once you register your site, you need to create your course. Again, for creating the course, you need to go in the site administration. I'll show you. Then after you go into site administration, you manage your courses and categories. Now, in this managing courses and categories, you can have whatever number of papers you have been assigned by your college or institute, and you can have those courses in separate sections. Then step 4, adding students. This is very important. See, some people, what they do is first they add the student, then they create the course. But this, I think this is a wrong thing. First, we need to create a course and then we need to add the students. So adding students, again, we need to go to the site administration site. This is very important. Site administration is very important. Now here, adding students, now the students are the users. Now here we have two types of users. One is the teacher and the other is the student. Now the users, teacher, we are the teachers, so we are already in. Now the thing is, we need to have the users, that is the students. And also, if you want to have the your colleague, your teacher with you, then you can invite her also by giving the option. Now here, the users can be added in 3 ways. Number 1 is add users. One option is there, add users. Then you have this add users is you can manually add the users. This is the manual method. Then you can upload the users. Like if you have 50 users, 50 students in a class. Now those 50 students, you need their data. Now what data you need, I'll tell you. Then self-enrollment option is also there. The student can enroll themselves. But the students, they find it difficult. Therefore, we don't allow this option for them. We just either we upload the users in bulk or we add the users manually. See, the best option is to upload the users in bulk. And if some students are left, those who have not given the information, then we can manually add them. Then once we have finished adding the course and adding the students, we can go for adding the activities. Now, in order to add the activities, we need to turn on the settings. In the settings, you have the option of turning on and turning off the course. So you have to first turn the editing on, then you can have the access to activity or resource. Now here, you can either formulate your e-content. You can have quizzes for the students. You can have the assessments even. Now the quizzes, they can be done in 2 ways. Number 1 is the manual method and another is the upload. If you have the, suppose the file is with you, which has all the questions in it, in which you are going to give to the students in the form of quiz, you can upload that at once. So these are the things we can do. Then step 6 is live lecture. Now, I'm telling you the whole process, what we can do on the Moodle Genomio, but one restriction is there, that we cannot take the live lecture in the free version. If we have the paid version, now see, for paid version, if your college is having own website and own server, then in that case, you can host your own Moodle software on that particular website or the server, and it will be of your own. You don't need access from any other source, and now you can formulate anything, and there you can also take the live lectures also. So this again, for live lecture, if you have the paid version, then you go to the site administration, then plugins are there, then activity modules are there, which are paid. And a very good thing which is there in the paid version is the big blue button. With the help of this big blue button, we can take the live lectures. So these are the things which we can do in the Moodle software. So now we will start with the actual how we can go for it. So I'll stop sharing this and okay. Now we'll see the whole process. Yeah. Can you see the screen? Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So now we'll go to the site. Now here, I'll go to the site menu. Yeah. Now I need to log in. So all of you, you can also log into the your Moodle site which you have created. Will you be doing along with me? Yes, participants?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So first login.
Okay.
Yeah, for logging in, you need to go into the login and there you have to type your username. Now, one thing is there that everyone is the admin. You are the admin of your own website. So everyone will have the username same as admin. While the password is the one which you have been given. So I'll see the password. So you have to go to the mail and there you have to see your password. So you just go to that site and just copy the password and then paste it. And then log in. Oh.
Ma'am. Hello.
Yeah.
Although
Yes,
I have
ma'am.
copied my password from my Gmail and I am putting it in the password column, but I am not able to log in
Ma'am, something must have went wrong.
because all are
Just
admin
do it
and I have
again.
copied my
See,
password.
you have to write the admin as the username.
Yeah, and password copied from the mail.
Yeah. See, in the mail, you will receive a login information.
Yes,
Your
that is
site name.
username,
Yeah, your site
username as
name.
the admin and
See,
password I have copied.
ma'am, you do one thing. Hello.
Listening, ma'am.
Ma'am, someone's audio is on, so it's disturbing.
कोणतरी जेंट्स ऑडिओ चालू आहे.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Is it okay? Have you done it?
But I'm
See,
not able to log in.
See, ma'am, you do one thing. You close that first. You go to your mail, and in the mail, you got the site name. Okay?
Yes, I have.
Yeah. Click the site name.
Okay.
Click the slide. Yeah. And once you click that, they will ask you. Then login option is there.
Yes, it is there.
Now click that login.
Admin.
Now here you write the admin as the username and the password you got, that you paste there.
Yes. Now I have logged in.
Yes. So since this is a free version, we'll have to bear with the advertisements because they'll have the money for it. So this is the, so can you see this window? Is this window visible?
Wait.
Yes, all the participants. Are you able to log in?
Yes, ma'am. Your course is of Levis. And,
Yes.
no,
Sorry, ma'am.
your window is different than me.
You might be having
Dashboard, file home, calendar, private file, something like that.
it is not like this.
Yeah, same, ma'am.
Same, na? Yeah. Okay. Now can I proceed?
मला वेज मिळालं तरी मी खुश राहील. आयतं मिळालं तर
Ma'am, wait for 2 minutes.
Yeah. Please ask the other participants to mute themselves, please, ma'am. It's creating disturbance.
Hello. Yes,
Yes,
Rupesh,
ma'am.
sir, please mute yourself. The session is going on.
Okay. Can I go ahead?
Yes.
Is it
ma'am,
okay?
go on.
Yeah. Is it okay with everyone? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now you can see this window. Here we can see that admin is there, admin user. Then you have here the dashboard, site home, calendar, private files, content bank, and site administration. The very important thing which I told you during the presentation is the site administration. And if you click over here, then it goes. So now, and here if you click, you have the profile. If you click the profile, then you will get the this page, and here you can fill your information. So whatever email address, my email address is given over here, my country, then city, then all the login, see, it gives you when have you logged into the site, what was the time, what was the last access, what was the IP address. So you can edit the profile here. If you feel that you need to change the email address, then you can change. Now this is visible to everyone. You can edit the profile. Then you can edit the other things, like here you can see the grades. Whenever you will have your whole course, that time this will be useful. Then you can messages for the students. You can have other preferences, and here you have the logout option also. You can log out and close the program. Then switch the role. Now here, this is very important. See, if now here, this is my course, therefore I am the teacher. But if this is not my course, if this is the if I am attending some other course like Swayam or NPTEL courses, that time if I need to use that particular Moodle platform, then here I need to change my role as the student. So this option is there. Now we'll go to the site administration and we'll see one by one. Now this is my site and this is the site. Now here you can also do it. Go to the site administration. Can you do it? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So have you got this page?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now here it is written, your site is not yet registered. I have also not registered my site because I wanted to show it to you. So now we will register. So along with me, you also register your site. So go to this option, register your site. click this. Now, here there are certain things which we need to fill. Now the name. Name is the site itself, the address of your site, whatever has. Then site listing. Now display, only display my site name, display my site name with the link. So we'll keep, do not list my site. Now description. Now here, you can give any description. This course is meant for undergraduate teaching, or this site is meant for undergraduate teaching. I'll write this. Then language is default English. Country, I have already filled, it's India. So if you don't have that, you have to select. Then admin email address, my email address is there. Notification of new Moodle releases, and that we don't feel that we should click this. Then Moodle newsletter, no, I don't feel that I should have that. Then privacy notice and data processing agreement. This we have to click, I agree. Okay. So after doing this, after filling all these things, because these are the essential things which we have to do, then click this, register your site. It will take some time. Now see, thank you for registering your site. Registration information will be kept up to date by the site registration schedule task. So you will also get this message. Have you done it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can we proceed?
Yes.
Yeah. Can we proceed, ma'am? Now I'll click to continue. Now I am getting the message. Your site is registered. Registration last updated. The site registration schedule task keeps your registration up to date. You can also manually update your registration at any time. So we don't need to update now. So whenever we feel that we need to update, that time we can do it. Now, after this, again, the next step which I told you is the course. Okay. So I suppose all of you are on your laptops or your PCs, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So you might be having your own files with you. You might be having your syllabus even. Do you have your syllabus with you?
No, ma'am. This PC is something different than ours. It's a computer lab PC, but we can select any of the file to upload.
Yeah. You can do that. Okay.
Yes.
Now I'll tell you how to formulate the course. So again, we need to visit to site administration. So now I'll be clicking the site administration. Okay. Now we go to the site administration. Now here you can see what are the things there. Number one is the users, then courses, then grades, then plugins, appearance, server, reports, and developments. Now we are intended to have our courses. So I'll click on the courses. Now in the courses, what you find is manage courses and categories. This I told you that we'll be doing the manage courses and categories option. So now I'll click the manage courses and categories. Okay. Now, once I click this, what we find is by default in the course category, we get miscellaneous. It is always there. If you want,
ये हम लोग को क्रिएट करना होता है या प्रिस्क्राइब फॉर्मेट में होता है?
यस, ये ऐसा क्रिएट करना है आपको तो आप क्रिएट भी कर सकते हो, और अगर आपको मिसलिनियस में वो अपने आप चला जाता है. लेकिन अगर आपको अपना खुद का नाम देके मिसलिनियस में नहीं रखना है तो आप नए कैटेगरी में भी डाल सकते हो. सो if you want to create a new category, then click the new category. Now the parent category is miscellaneous here. See. Okay. Now here you need to supply the value here. So I say bachelor. I can say top or miscellaneous. Only two are there. Either miscellaneous or top. Okay. Then category name, I'll give bachelor's degree course. This is an example. You can do give any. Now ID, if you have more than, see, like in my case, hello, is there any problem?
When I have selected, yes, when I have selected miscellaneous, I am not able to select my category.
Ma'am, this is the parent category, no? Miscellaneous, it will go automatically.
Okay.
I'll tell you about
then,
it. Yeah. In either miscellaneous or top, only two options are there.
But I have selected miscellaneous. Then
Directly you have to go to the courses. I'll finish this and I'll tell you. Yeah, I'll finish this and I'll tell you. Now, category ID number. Now, this number you can give any, because like I'll be teaching BSc part 1, BSc part 2, BSc part 3. So if I want to give the ID number, then I may give BSc 1. So this is the ID number of my course. Then description, you can give any description like the one which I have given. So I'll just type like this. This is the description. Then create category. I'll click this. Now the category has been created. See, can you see bachelor's degree course? Miscellaneous is there. And the second one, this is the parent. And these are the offsprings. We cannot do anything with the miscellaneous. If you want to have the course in create new category, then you create it. Otherwise, work in the miscellaneous. The one which you are talking about, ma'am. Have you got it? Hello?
I think some mistake was committed by me when it was not by my new category.
Hello? Is it okay, ma'am? Is it okay with everyone? Can I go ahead?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now I have created, or do I need to do it again? Can I tell you again? Do I need to repeat it?
Yes, please, ma'am. When I click my course, site administration and courses, I click courses.
Yeah.
Then scroll down. देख ना मैं पहले के साइट पे नहीं जा पा रही हूँ. ये अभी कोर्सेस मैंने सिलेक्ट किया तो वो मिसलेनियस की साइट पे आ गई. वो जो था वो.
अभी यहाँ पे दो ये है ऑप्शंस, क्रिएट न्यू कैटेगरी, क्रिएट न्यू कोर्स. इफ यू वांट टू क्रिएट न्यू कैटेगरी, क्लिक क्रिएट न्यू कैटेगरी.
मैम मैं कोर्स सिलेक्ट करती हूँ ना, जब मैं कोर्स करती हूँ तो वहाँ पे नीचे आता है मैनेज कोर्सेज एंड कैटेगरीज. So I have to click that manage courses.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Thank you.
The first option.
Okay, I have selected that.
Yeah.
Then
now you got this window. Create new category, create new course. So create new category.
Create new category.
Yeah.
Yes.
And provide all the useful information there.
Ma'am, something different works works across sites and apps, something like that.
No, if you create new course, if see, I'm
I have to
going
go
into
to
it.
back. I have to go to back.
See here, they have given add new category. This you should see. Are you getting this?
Yes, ma'am. Now I'm with you. Parent category.
Yes.
There is a parent category, category name.
Yes, yes.
Category
Provide all
ID,
the
description,
provide all
something
the
like that.
details. Provide all the details. Yeah, other participants, are you getting this?
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Yes.
Yes. So have you done this? Add new category?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I don't want this, so I'll cancel this. And I'll return to my course category management here. Okay. Now, if I click this, now selected category. Now here I have my course as bachelor's degree course. Okay, this is the category, isn't it? Because we have created the category. Now we will create the course. So to create the course, click this create new course. Click this create new course. Now you got this. Have you got this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. Now here you have to provide the course full name. Now I have my file with me, so I'll do that. Here. So I have one course with me, and from that course, I'll be taking name of the courses, name of the courses, suppose the name of my course is BSc Microbiology Semester Pattern. Short name BSc Micro. I'll just write Micro. Okay, this is the short name. Okay. Then category. Now where I need to put in the bachelor's degree. So I have only one option. So if I want to put it in miscellaneous, I'll put in miscellaneous. Or if I want to put it in the bachelor's one, I'll put in the bachelor's. So here the bachelor's. Then visibility. Now show and hide. Now why this option is there? See, whenever the students are there, suppose we have the semester pattern system. So in the semester pattern system, we have the first semester, then second semester, third semester, fourth semester, fifth semester, sixth semester. 6 semesters we have to go for a bachelor's degree. So here what happens whenever we create the course for semester 1, those students, the same students, they go into the second semester. Now the first semester course is no longer useful for them. So it will create unnecessary problem to them as well as to us. So in that case, we can hide the course. Which one? The first semester one. Second semester we will put. Okay. Now since we are making the syllabus now, course now, I'll show the course. So course visibility show. Have you followed this? Hello. Am I audible?
Yes, madam. Yes.
So
Yes,
show
madam.
option, yeah, show option is there. Then course start date. Now today is 12th March 22. Time I'll write here. It will start at 11. Okay. So 11. Then course end date. I'll write here. Sorry. Today is 11th.
Today's 11.
Yeah.
11
Today is
March.
11th. Yeah. So I'll write 10th.
11.
10. Okay. I'm writing
Yes,
10th
yes.
March. Okay.
Yes.
And I'll end it into, see,
20.
we actually have the semester for about 3 to 4 months. So we will write that span, or for the whole year you can, yeah, for the whole year you can give. So it will run from 10th March 22 to 12th March 23. And the time will be, again, I'm giving 11 o'clock till 11 o'clock. Enable course ID number. Now, this is in the category you have given the course ID. Okay. Now course summary.
क्रिएट करायचं. मिसलेनियस असेल तर मिसलेनियस क्रिएट करायचं. कुंदन सर.
Is it okay? Can I proceed? Hello. Yes, ma'am. Can I proceed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So now we need to have the course summary. Now, in this course, I'll write in this course, students will be able to study. Number one, I'll give this. Paper 1, Fundamentals of Microbiology. You can give your whatever course you want, you can write there. And if I am doing only this much, then I'll give unit 1. And in the unit 1, I'll be whatever I'll be teaching, I'll write that. So here, I'll be writing paste. So these are the things which I am going to take in the course summary. So these are the things I'll be taking. Then you need to have an image of the course. Now here, if in your PC or on your laptops, if you have any image of the course, like the one I'll be dragging here, the image has to be either GIF, JPEG or PNG. So you can drag here. So I'll put one. Now, I'll put one image, drag one image here. You can also drag the image. if I take this, I'll drag here. Now here this I have taken one PNG screenshot. So the image is getting uploaded here. Now my image is there. After that, course format. Now, can I proceed? Have you got this?
Yes, madam.
Okay. Now course format. Now see in our papers like our university, you might be having 4 units in a paper, isn't it? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So the topics, if there are the topics to be discussed in topics format or weekly format, in a week, what will you be doing, or topics format or single activity format? So you can give any of the format. So I'll keep the topics format. Then number of sections. Now, since I have 4 units, I am giving 4. You can give any number. Okay. So 4 sections. Then hidden sections. Here, hidden sections are shown in collapse form, completely invisible. We will keep collapse form. I'll show you this when we will go into the course. Course layout, show all sections on single page, show one section per page. You can, I'll keep show all sections on one page. Then you have, after this, click on the appearance. Course language, not force, number of announcement, any number of announcement you can give. Then grade book to students, yes. Activity reports, no. What activities we are doing, we are not going to show the students what we are going to do. Activity dates. Now here, whenever you post the assignments, then you have to give the assignment visible to them, yes or no, yes. And if you are giving the assignment for a certain period of time, then you have to give the activity date. So yes, you have to give. After that, files and uploads. Now, whatever files the students will do, like the assignments, the upper limit for upload is 100 MB. Here you have various. So the upper limit is 100 MB. Okay. So this is 100 MB upper limit. Then completion tracking. Here, and completion tracking, whether the students has done it or not, yes or no, that you have to give. And then show activity completion conditions. Then groups we don't need. Whenever you go in detail of the course, then you will yourself come to know what are the groups and all. This at this time we don't need. Role renaming. Now again, here role renaming, if you want to make the student a teacher or a teacher a student, you can do that with this. But this is of no use, I think. And then tags are also of no use for us. Now you have 2 options here: save and return, save and display. So you can click either of the option. If you click save and return, then you will come to the page from where you started. And if you click save and display, you will see your course. So I'll click save and display. See, my course is here. BSc Microbiology semester pattern. Participants I don't have. And now like this, I have the my course. Can you see this? I don't have the participants. I have the course. Okay. Now, can we proceed to course content, or do we do the addition of participants first? Yes. According to your will, we will do it. So what do you want? Do you want to proceed with participant addition or to proceed with course content?
Ma'am, course content, I think.
Okay, so we will proceed to course content. So I'll click here. So till now, have you understood? Yes. Do you have any issue with this? If you have, I'll repeat it again.
Ma'am, can you show us like from where you got this window.
Which one?
The
one
the
which
one was showing us.
this one, na?
Yes.
This one I create the one which I created. I got this after creation.
Like I'm on the dashboard. So is there any option like to go back and where I can find my
Yeah.
course?
At the end, you have the option of cancel.
At the end.
Do you have that?
No, ma'am.
No. If you are not getting
Content
that,
bank.
then you go to site home or dashboard.
Site home.
Dashboard. Yeah, site home or dashboard.
Okay. There's no option of cancel. No, ma'am, cancel. I'm not
No,
getting.
you cannot. You cannot cancel.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Hello. Yeah. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am. You continue.
Yeah. Can I continue now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we will go to proceed to course content. Now this is the course content. Now this is my course. Now here, as I told you, you have to turn editing on. See here, you have the options. Course completion, filters, gradebook setup, backup, restore, import, copy course, reset, then accessibility toolkit, and some more things. These things, once you are familiar with the Moodle, then you will be yourself able to do it. But we don't need all things in order to teach our students. So I'll just turn the editing on. Now, my editing is on now. See, can you see this? See, the announcement in this page, what I have is announcements, topic 1, topic 2, because I have given 4 sections, so I have sections. Okay. Now, I give name to this topic. In order to name this topic, I'll click this pencil. If I click this, I'll write unit 1 and enter. Unit 1. If I go here, I'll write unit 2. Enter. Then unit 3. Enter. Then you have unit 4. Enter. So 4 units are there. Now, in the announcements, you can write notice. Notice. Now here I can write the notice. So here you can click to edit this. You can name it as announcement or notice. Or in order to fill this, in order to give the students the notices, I'll click over here. Okay. Now, in order to give the notice, add a new topic. See, this is the notice which I have written. Now add a new topic. Subject. Starting of semester 1 classes. Message. College will start from 11th March at 10:30. All are supposed to be present positively. Okay, I'll write this. Then post to forum. I'll post this. Now you will see this in the course. Now I don't need this. So now I'll go into my course. So I'll go into the BSc micro course. Here you can click and you will go there. So I am here. So here I have my course. I have whatever notice I have given, that is there. If I click this, then the notice will be visible. See, this is the notice. So if the students are there, then they will reply and we will see the reply, yes or no, or whatever they want to say. Now, if you want to give any other topic, you can post here. So likewise, you can do any of the announcement in this particular thing. Now, again, I go to my course. Okay. Now, unit 1. Now, in this unit 1, if I want to add an activity. So in order to add here, you have to, if I go like this, nothing happens. See, this particular button is kept. You can move this. Like if I want to move unit 6 to unit 1 here, the position will be changed. See, the position is changed. So for changing the position, you can use this button. For naming this, you can use this button. But to put the contents in unit 1, I need to add here, add an activity. Click this add an activity. Now you find so many things. Are these things visible? Hello? Hello? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, can you see all these things? What are the things present here? See, you have assignments, you have book, you have chat, you have choice, you have database, you have external tool, you have feedback, file, folder, forum, glossary, HSP, the H5P, sorry, IMS content, now label, lesson, page, quiz, Scrum package, survey, URL, wiki, and workshop. Now, all are not there for us. What I mean to say is, all are not freely available. So some of the things which are freely available, we will use those. Okay. Now, first of all, what we have to do is, you have to post the, suppose I'll post the page. So I'll click the page. Now, page name, I'll give syllabus. Description. Syllabus of BSc microbiology. Okay, now display description on course page. I'll put this. Then page content. Now here you can have so many things. See this one first, show, hide. This particular thing you can show or hide. Then you can have this heading like medium format, whatever you write, it will be in the heading large format or medium, small, or pre-formatted, or in the form of paragraph. You can do anything with it. This is bold and italics, just like the home page we have, bold and italics. Then you numbering. So all these things are always available. Now, this is the link, URL. Link of anything. If you want to paste here, then you have to click this link and you have to write the URL of that. So I'll give you one example for this. Like if I want to give a URL, like just a minute. Okay, from YouTube, if I want to give the structure of, suppose structure of atom, it's written. Okay, now if I click this and if I get the share link from here. Now I'll take the link, copy. Okay, now I have copied the link. I'll paste here. And now create link. Now this link is posted here. This will be active. Okay. Now this particular thing, unlink. If you don't want this link, unlink is there. Emojis are there. If you want to give any picture, insert the or edit image, any image you can give. Then here you have edit format, audio, video. Like if you want to give any song, like if it is needed, then here you have the option of record audio. You can record the thing, whatever. See, like if I'm speaking like, so are you getting what I want to say? Now start recording. Are you getting what I want to say? Now stop recording. Now attach recording. Now see, it is there. Isn't it? Have you followed? Yeah. So this is the recording. Then here you have the record video. Video also you can record, but this feature don't work in our case because we are using free version. Then manage files also. If you click this, then you can give the file here. Like one file I have given, the audio file. More files you can give. And then after this, you have the appearance of this. Display page name, display page description also, display last modified date. Common module setting, restriction, these things we don't need commonly. Then I'll say save and display. Now, see, this is the, I'll go to the page, there you will see. See. Okay, we have added the syllabus. Then if you want to add more content, again, you go to the add activity. Now, after this, I want to give a file. Add a file. File name. File name, syllabus, unit 1. Description. I'll not give any description. Select file. Now again, I'll select a file. I have many files with me, so I'll select one file. Downloads. Yeah. Okay. So I have this book, so I'll put this here. Now, since the book is too big, it will take some time. This is in the form of file. First, we have created a page. Now, this is a file. Now, here in this select file page, you can put n number of files, unlimited. Okay. Appearance, automatic, embed, post download, open. I'll give automatic. Pop-up also you can give. Embedded, you can also give. Show size, show type, upload, modified, display, post description. Then I'll say save and return to course. Now see, you can see here, syllabus, unit 1. So all these things I am doing in unit, I'll write here unit 1. In the notice, yeah, in the here I have done this. Now in the unit 1, you can go again, and in the unit 1 also you can do the same thing. You can give any lesson or file or book also you can upload. So these are the things which you can do in the course. So like this, and if the student clicks this, then it is visible, it will get downloaded. See, it is getting downloaded for me. So the student can also download the book and then they can read it. So you have given the book, so they will be able to download it and see. So it can be done like this. So I think I have by mistake went out of the So are you getting me? Is it okay with you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is about the course. Then I'll go to the site again. By mistake, I have closed the site. I'll go to the site again. What has happened? Invalid. So if you have any problem regarding this, you can ask now.
हेलो मैम.
Yes.
हम लोग को लाइक फोटोज अपलोड करना है, तो लाइक कुछ प्रेजेंटेशंस का, तो फिर कैसे करना है? लाइक प्रेजेंटेशन में कुछ ऐसे स्लाइड्स वगैरह अपलोड करना है या कुछ फोटोज अपलोड करना है, तो वो कौन से ऑप्शन में जाना है उसके लिए?
आपको वो जो हमने दिए हैं अभी ऑप्शंस, स्टॉप शेयरिंग, या जो अपना कोर्स पेज था, कोर्स पेज पे आपको जैसे ऐड एक्टिविटी है, तो आप एक्टिविटी में जाइए, ऐड एक्टिविटी को क्लिक करने के बाद वो जो पेज आता है वहां पे you have the options of lesson, file, folder, book. There you can give it.
Your page is not visible.
Yeah, I don't know what is happening. Mhm. I don't know what is the problem, but I'm not able to select L plus N. I don't know. I'm able to share, but I'm not visible. I know that. I don't know what is the problem. Okay, ma'am. I'll see that. But meanwhile, we can discuss the problem you are facing.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So,
Ma'am, I have a note. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Ma'am, I just want to know that after making all this course and can we create a hyperlink for this?
Yeah, you can click. Yeah, you can have the hyperlink, but there for hyperlink you have to hyperlink of what, sir?
Of the entire course, whatever the course I'm designing right now. So can I create a hyperlink and just put it on another website? Is that possible for me?
No, not for this Genomio. You have to enter the course through Genomio. So you whenever you want to have the students, you have to give the site name of your this Genomio, not the hyperlink.
Not a hyperlink.
You have to
So
provide
link
the
is not
site name.
possible. All right. So I need to provide the site name which I have created, right?
Yes, sir.
So every time the student needs to log in from the site name and password, right?
Yeah. They will have their own password and the site name will be same. Yeah.
Okay.
Site name will be same.
Right. Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. I think the rest of the professors, they are not having any doubts, I hope.
So do we need to go ahead?
Oh, okay, or else, ma'am, we can continue it on tomorrow, can we?
Yeah, it can be done.
Because today they need to do it by yourself, and once they can
yeah.
Because today they
Yes,
have
Devanjali madam. Devanjali madam.
Yes, ma'am.
I think everybody will practice, and then tomorrow again we can continue. No, I think.
Yeah, we can have the longer session tomorrow, explaining the whatever difficulties you're facing, and as well as adding the participants and some more things like adding the activities. Like sir was telling, or madam was asking about if you want to put the PowerPoint presentation over here. So how can you add there? Then you can give the videos also. The link you have provided, or directly the video can be uploaded on it without giving the link. That can also be done. So many things we can do over there. Then very important thing is the quiz. That also I'll be discussing. How you can formulate the quiz, what type of questions you can do, and how the students they can. And one more thing is if we don't have the WhatsApp and all, only you want to give the students that you are having the lecture at this time, and this is the link. So you can post the link of your lecture on this Moodle, and the student will go inside the classroom and they will have the access of the Google or Zoom platform from that classroom. So you can post your link over there. So many things are there which we can do with it. And even you can customize your own course. Like if you want to give the very beautiful background and the course face of the course, whatever, like microbiology, I'll draw the microbes and all. I'll upload the pictures on that course content, so that whenever the student they see that this is my class, because there are so many classes. BSc Part 1, BSc Part 2, BSc Part 3. So with only name, it is difficult to recognize. You can give the image of your course also. So that also it can be done. So many things are there. Once you get all the basics of it, you will be able to explore more and more. So this is all from my side. I think you'll practice this today and will come with the preparation tomorrow. Isn't it, Devanjali ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Absolutely. And thanks a lot, ma'am.
Thank you,
At
ma'am.
least
Yeah.
now we can say that at least we can access the Moodle very easily. We can
Yeah, it's
create the
very
course.
easy. Yeah, yeah.
Yes,
It's very
yes.
easy. Yeah.
So the way you teach us is really great, and you make the hard thing difficult thing easy. You have converted the difficult task into an easy task. So thanks a lot, ma'am. And I request all the participants to join tomorrow at the same time, and we'll have so many other things like as ma'am told into tomorrow's session. So thank you, ma'am, and see you again tomorrow, ma'am, at the same time.
Yeah, definitely.
Thanks
Yeah,
a lot,
yeah.
ma'am.
Have a good day. Yeah.
Thank you. And I would like to thank Principal Ma'am for today's session and other delegates. So again, we are going to organize this on tomorrow. So
Yeah,
thank you.
definitely. Yeah. So can I leave, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.